The main reason to study civil engineering is because you love the world, but you love it enough to not to leave it the way it is, you want to make it better.
Civil environmental engineering is a really broad discipline of engineering, and really it encompasses all of the things that we see around us.
Students will actually see construction. They will experience directly construction sites and projects as they emerge out of the ground. We provide site visits so they can get up close and see those projects in a live environment.
We have 3 programs in civil and environmental engineering. We have our flagship program, which is simply called Civil Engineering, which you can do Bachelor of Engineering, BEng, or Master of Engineering, MEng. We also have 2 smaller programs in Structural and Fire Safety Engineering and in Structural Engineering with Architecture, both of which you can do Bachelor or Master of Engineering.
So when you come here as a new student on the Civil and Environmental Engineering program, you will start out perhaps with some ideas of types of structures that have interested you out in the wider world. And so what we'll begin with is giving you the fundamental structural engineering principles to understand how they behave. As you get further into your degree program, we start to build up that complexity. We're introducing some of the realities of how real structural materials behave, about how complete buildings, bridges and so on behave. And you build that up until in your final year, you undertake a structural design project.
We have a design strand in civil and environmental engineering because there's lots of different skills that you need as an engineer. You need a toolbox of skills. There's the detailed technical skills that you'll learn in your lecture classes and you apply in design, but also there's a whole load of skills around teamwork and solving complex problems. And we gradually develop those through the years of the degree programs.
In the final year of their degree program, the students will be asked to come up with a structural design solution for different design scenarios. We mimic the real-world design office scenario, and we ask students to work in an intensive time scale. So time management and teamwork are really important, and these skills also prepare our students for their future career as structural engineers.
Our graduates work for some of the best companies in the country and internationally, but in fact, a lot of our graduates work even outside the civil engineering sector, and that's because the skills they get are highly transferable.
One of the main things that the students will understand is how we undertake construction safely. They will understand how contractors plan and prepare for undertaking safe construction projects, but they will also understand about sustainability and that construction plays a big part and a big role in delivering projects in a sustainable manner.
When we think about infrastructure, we might not think about the effect we have in the environment. And we try to address that through several courses that complement each other throughout the course of the degree, introducing some basic fundamental concepts for environmental engineering and water engineering.
The fire engineering strand is developed really from the second year all the way through to the final years of the degree program. So we're really lucky at the University of Edinburgh that we have a cutting-edge fire safety engineering laboratory, and this is a really unique facility really in the UK.
So we have a lot of strands and interesting topics that we offer above the main core subjects that students study with us, which is really quite unique in Edinburgh and in our discipline.
I'd recommend studying civil and environmental engineering at the University of Edinburgh because all of our courses are interwoven really neatly. Our knowledge of, say, for example, geotech will lead nicely to our knowledge of structures. That leads on to our knowledge of fire, and that leads through to our knowledge of environmental engineering. All of this is flavoured by our research expertise as well. So you'll be learning from the best in a program that helps you learn how all of these elements interact.
I can guarantee you'll have the best time of your life in terms of student life, meeting new people. It's such an amazing city, so rich culturally, so rich socially, and I'm sure that you will come here and have the amazing experiences of living in one of the most beautiful cities in the world.